Hello guys, look at this before. This is in the process of our heatless coils, and this is a beautiful after. So stay tuned, I'm going to show you how to get these bouncy heatless coils, guys. Come with me, let's go. Guys, here are the things you need. You're going to need your spray bottle, any of your choice is okay. Your hair serum, Hawaiian silky, or any coil activator of your choice. I'm going to use my Lotta Baby, which is my go-to. Then we're going to use our hair mousse, which is a must if you want a perfect smooth. Then we have our Satin comb, our white tooth comb, and our hair pins, which is optional. And we have our Flexi rod. So you can use this same method with your snap rollers or whichever items you have for your heatless coils. So guys, I'm going to mix my Lotta Baby and water, and I'm going to add a little bit of Hawaiian silky just for that final touches you get. So yeah, so I'm going to add this and I'm going to mix everything together and give it good little shake. We want everything to mix and to make sure everything is uniformly mixed inside before we begin our process. So first, obviously, you're going to section your hair and you're going to apply your Miracle Wonder Walker. And after doing that, you're going to comb it out and detangle it. Then you go in with your hair mousse, any hair mousse of your choice. I do not recommend this. Maybe olive or Lotta Baby hair mousse, which is the best. Yeah. So what I do is I apply my hair mousse and I put my hair serum and I activate my hair mousse, which is rub it together in my hands before applying on my hair. So after doing that, I'm going to go in and detangle one more time. We want our coils to be smooth and popping, no bumps whatsoever. So yeah, so after doing that, we're going to take our flexi rod and we're just going to wrap it around the rod. So while doing that, I always comb through to make sure I get rid of any tangles or whatsoever might affect my coils from popping to the fullest. So if you feel any knots or whatsoever, you can go in and give it a little brush comb so that you can have a very smooth hair to work with. So guys, you notice I mentioned earlier the hair clips were optional, right? This is because the hair type I was using was not going to hold, so I had to pin it down with hair clips. So that's why. So if you're working with a more gentle or softer hair type, you don't really need your clips. You can just wrap it and it's good to go. So we are going to show this one more time. So after applying your Lotta Baby mixture, you're going to apply your hair mousse and your hair serum. The serum is for the shine and the mousse is for the hole, additional hole. And you're going to wrap around your flexi rod. While doing that, you're going to comb it out so you prevent any lumps or whatsoever might just make affect your coils from coming out the way you want them to be. So we also do this to prevent issues like tangling when you're unraveling these coils. So after your coils have dried down, maybe for 2 days or 3 days or one day, depending on how humid your climate is, you're going to have to unravel them. And if it's not smooth, you're going to destroy your coils because you're going to have to detangle and all of that. So yeah, stay tuned. So here's what it's looking like so far, and we are going to go in now to the front part of the hair. So I'm going to speed this up, assuming that you've picked up from the two I showed you. So basically we are repeating the same process and I pin it down to hold it in place. So here's what our hair is looking like, all good, all perfect. So here's what our hair is looking like after 3 days. So presently we're having a lot of rainfall, so it did take quite a lot of time for it to get dry. So here's what I was talking about. If your hair is not smooth, you're not going to have a smooth unravel. You're going to notice that your hair is going to tangle on your flexi rod, or you're just going to have some strands of hair that are just going out of place, and in the process of forcing them to unravel, you're going to notice that you're going to mess up your coils. So that is why it's very essential that your comb is your best friend when doing your heatless coils. Make sure it's smooth. So with the snap rollers, with the snap coilers, sorry, I don't think you might face this issue that much, because once you wrap the end of the hair, you just have to keep going and tensioning and keep going. But with the flexi rod, you have to be a little bit careful. So guys, look at this. Like, oh my god, heatless coil, so smooth. You can see our serum, you can see our hair mousse, you can see the combination of our products in action. Like, it's so perfect and so bouncy, and it will not unravel. So make sure you follow my method if you want long lasting bouncy coils. Look at that, guys, and as soon as I let it go, it's coiled back to perfection. So guys, unfortunately, my client didn't want a lot of defined coils, or should I say she wanted a little bit of volume. So I had to go in, even though it was a very difficult process, but the client is always right. So I just wanted to do something that would be best for her. So I went in with my hand and I just divided my coils, kind of like multiplying them, and you can see how our wig is becoming fuller and fuller. And after doing this, I can get why she would go for this look, because yeah, it's giving a lot of volume, it's not that scanty. Yeah, the coils are still well defined, obviously, because I did a great job, and you will do a great job if you follow my tutorial. So yeah guys, here's what our hair is looking like after, and I can assure you it's still very extremely banging. So yeah, make sure you follow my tutorial. If you have any questions, drop in the comment section. I'm going to do my best to answer them. And if you have any issues while doing your process, I have no problem assisting you, and let's walk through this together. So long as you come out with the best possible results and you're satisfied, that is what I aim for. So yeah guys, our hair is looking so beautiful, and this can be yours. Slide in my DM if you want me to assist you to bring out the beauty in your hair. Like I said, my motto is say no to boring hair, no boring hair. Be it heat, be it heatless, be it steam whatsoever you want, I got you covered. And if you want to do it for yourself, be my guest. I'm here to guide you through. So once more, here is our before. You can see how our hair is looking so boring and just not that girl. Yeah, but with time and process and work, we went to our after, and just from the process, you can see a great future for this hair. So yeah, so now our hair is looking all perfect, ready to be slayed. I can't wait to give you my customers reaction. I hope she loves it, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and you learned a thing or two from it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you next time, guys.